Hey, what's up guys? Today I will show something crazy guys. Today I will show you how to make this thumbnail. After starting this video, I saw that 94% people didn't subscribe me. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also, if you like my video, then like my video. If you don't like my video, then give dislike. And then go to the A and then edit and then make your taste what you want. I will make this okay, and then go to this AB font icon, you see, and then search font. I will give in the description this font. Font name is road rage. Okay, after making this, you should go to padding and then increase the padding of this, and then make second text. It is I will on Android, and this font is also in the description. You can download it. Font name is Vendor. Okay, this is the font name. It is so cool. And then transparent the background and save the image. After making this, you should go to the PSCC. Going to the PSCC, you should go to the black one and get into the 1280. Then make it 720. Then give it OK. And I will provide a background. You should make this background. Okay, background is this. Okay, so making this, you should decrease the opacity to transform. Okay, I will decrease the black bar and then increase the size. Okay, you should see there is a black bar. I will erase it into by transforming. Okay, you can see it is done, and then make it opacity 100. After making this opacity 100, then make it this polygon, and go to show pointer and then point this Car98K icon. Okay, so you can see. After making this, you have to show pointer in this circle, and then you should that it is select pixel into the Car98K icon, and then hide the pointer, and then make this empty layer, and then make it layer from selection, and then go to this empty layer and then fill and stroke, and then make it a stroke, and then increase the stroke. I will give it 6. It is look perfect for me. Again, you can see there is so a bar. I will erase this bar. You
the hottest music producers.
And then increase the opacity. So increase the scale. Okay, it is look better for me. So after making this, you should duplicate the layer and then make it linear dodge basic, and then make it glow. And then this thumbnail is green color, and that's why I choose green color. in this, and then increase the blur, which is better for you. After making this, and then make it FX tint, decrease the luminosity and decrease the intensity, and make it into this. Okay, after making this, you guys should make it photo library and import your font text, which is we make it in pixellab. Then go to this and this layer from okay, it is a layer from selection and it is clear. Okay, and we delete it, so you can see. So we erase it, and then we should give the gun icon. So you just see it is look like very awesome. Okay, okay, this clean. Then you see there was an image effect. So after making this, you should empty layer, make an select enter it, stroke size is 4 pixels, and then make it FX cloud. This is the amount. Then go to glow. Yes, decrease the glow. Okay, it's look like awesome, and then make it merge down, transform it, and increase the size of the text. Make it into the middle. Okay, we should transform it, and then make it into the middle. Middle. Okay, it's look like middle of the text, and then go to this and then give a drop shadow. Distance is 0, and then increase the blur, and then give drop shadow again and again. Okay, so you can see there was a port, and then make it on Android into this. and make a gradient, and then select the color. Okay, and then make an empty and make it fill, and then make this color into this green. Okay, then make it linear and select pixel and then merge it down. After merge it down, you should give a drop shadow. Okay, give drop shadow again. Okay, it's look better, and then give some particles which is given the back. Okay, and then make it a screen, and we should make a give some smoky effect. For the smoky effect, we should add some smokes. Okay, and I chose these smokes and make it screen. Okay, transform it and then duplicate this layer and merge it down and then transform it. You can see there is some smokes, and then we dark the background because it's look like very sharp. Then go to fill and stroke and then make it black, and then decrease the opacity of the background. Okay, it's look like very amazing. After making this, you should add some this effect and then make it all over the effect. So you can see it's look amazing, and then save this. In the Lightroom you should export which photo which you made in PS Touch. After making this, wait, you should make it and apply a green preset, and the green preset is